Hi everyone. Today we will learn a new thing in Python. So we will learn how to move files from one directory to another. So for this I need to do create three folders. So first we are creating one folder named moving files. Okay. And then I will create another. The name is shorts. And then I will create another folder. The name is destination. And in the moving files and also in the shorts folder, I am putting some data. So from file on, I am first copying this to shorts. And from file 2, I'm putting some images here in the shorts or make it very simple. And now I will open this folder, moving files, and here I will create a new VS Code. And now we have opened the VS Code and we'll create a new file, moving file.python. So first we need to import two functions, import OS from Python, import shuttle. Then we need to here define two path. So first is shorts, okay, then is destination. So here we'll put the raw path, or means raw, and then we'll put that shorts, what is here, shorts, and that and also here we'll change the name, sorry, here we'll change the name destination. Okay, so to be double check, I'm copying the path again and I'm putting here. Okay, so now we got the shorts and destination folder. Now what we'll do, we will just do a for loop for file in os.listdir, and that is shorts in our shorts. So os.listdir, actually it will show in the directory that how many files are there. So it will work also recursively. That means it will try to find folder under folder if there are many subfolders are there. Now I will transfer the file. So for this we will create first shorts path, then os dot path dot join, then shorts and file, then destination path. Also you need to create os.path.join destination and then file. Then finally we need to call shuttle.move, and then we'll put that source path comma destination path. Okay, so now I'm going to the destination folder, and here you see there are no files, and now I'm going to run it. Yeah, so now you see that it has been run, and if I go to the destination folder, you see all the files are here. So the same files and some image file and CSV file are here. So file has been moved. So this folder also in the C, this folder has been that cleared. So this folder is empty now. So I'll show you another thing, that if I want to just copy, so what we need to do. So just I'm putting back all the files to my shorts folder. Yeah, again I put, and then what I'll do, shuttle.copy. Okay, then if I do again, now you see there are this files also, 15 items, and all the shorts folder also there are the same files. Okay, now you understood. Then I'll show another thing to you, that if I want to do a specific file type to transfer. So that means if I want to transfer on a specific file type, so I'm deleting again from destination, and here you see that JPG file is there, and another is CSV. So what we'll do, we'll go here, and here we implement one thing. If file ends with, okay, star dot or dot jpg, then we'll remove the, sorry, then we transfer the file. So now our destination is blank, you see. If I press this, now you see only jpg file has been transferred. So in this way you can transfer files from one directory to another directory in Python. Now I want to show you one thing. You see that when I am copying the file, it is actually getting the timestamp of the current timestamp. That means 9:43. But if I don't want to recreate the file, I want to take the file actually when the file has been actually created. Okay, I want the timestamp. So what then we need to do? We need to make it copy to. We need to put copy to. And if I execute again, now if I go to the destination, now you see the timestamp actually when the file was created, not the new timestamp. So timestamp has not been actually recreated. So now you see that it's showing that old timestamp when the file was created. Okay, I think you have understood how to transfer file from one folder to another folder in multiple ways. We'll come back with new learning. Till then, bye bye.